understand this, inshallah. We are learning together to make to enhance our knowledge, inshallah. Okay. Bismillah. Okay, this one. Okay, let's. This one is the first goal. The first, if in the house here for the first house, this is the first. Okay, the first here. Engagement and partnership. So this is the first. Okay, and then the strategic step, building network, strategic partners and coordination. Okay. Kurang kecil sangat.
Fabina, since this is it looks very small here, and even in the printing is very.
Yeah, we need. Can I just get them to send? Can you just ask them to share the email so that I can send them?
Okay. هي بتطلب منكم تكتبوا ايميلاتكم هنا عشان يبعثوا لكم العرض ويبعثوا لكم ملفات اكسل وكل الاشياء.
انا صورت على التليفون عشان اشوف مين عندي جسم سؤال الامانه العامه مين دعم طب يلا
بابي سؤال بعد كورونا بعد صلاة الجمعة يسوع أي ساعة يعني؟
يوم الجمعة؟
Slide.
ما في داعي إذا مرتبطين
يا أخوات هي موجود هي اللي بعته
خلاص
لو موجود على
Oh, okay. Oh, you wrote that.
Yes. So Bob is sending the.
Okay, you already have all.
Yes. كل الجميع صارت موجودة عندهم.
So you can open already this slide.
Yes, they can. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can open this slide. Inshallah. Okay. So now we look at this example. Yeah, engagement and partnership, and we look at this. Okay, number 3.
engagement
Yeah.
engagement yes
Yeah. Engagement and. Okay. So you need A1.
So A is actually engagement and partnership. The orange color.
A تركز إلى
A is the orange color, which is engagement and partnership.
B ستكون العمود الثاني في البيت والسي العمود الثالث في البيت. حسنا إذا
Oh, udah, dah.
حرف A هو
Okay, so we are looking at building network and strategy, partners and coordination.
شراكات مشاركة والشراكة.
Okay, the outcome is we want to schedule conference.
الجدول الأدوات. إذا
So we,
هنا كما ترون في العمود الأول.
so we are looking only one example. So we are looking at this example. So the outcome is to establish the strategic women coalitions, and then the key initiative, which is the P3, expanding the geographical regions and network of GWCQP on the level of country, region, and continent. So for this one, I took an example for our region, the P37, the AP CWCQP. So which is we target inshallah within 5 years we want to add 5 more countries to be our members inshallah. So for other continents inshallah, so it's up to another continent. So that's why we need to plan. So that's one of the examples.
So in the example, we want to establish more countries. There must be a person that is in charge.
هنا يجب أن يكون
So PWCP, and then target how many years?
Within 5 years. So we need to set target. You know, timeline. We mentioned just now, remember, in strategic planning? So yeah, we should have.
So if AWCQP within 2 years already 5 or 6, then the headquarters of global movement must give some acknowledgement or
Mabruk.
so that other countries will, other continents also will be motivating to do the same.
Okay, next. Okay. Next one, the same example under engagement and partnership, but for different. For P61 is building network strategic partners and coordination. The outcome is we target for form women interest and advocacy groups. So the key initiatives is accepting all segments of specialized women within the structures of their respective country coalitions, so they can represent categories such as trade unions, parliamentary, scientific, sports, scouts, Muslim scholars, etc. So, for example, P61 on the top establish collaborations with parliamentary, legal, human, and civil rights and BDS, boycott, divestment, and sanction. So, same the PIC, whether it's global or regional, R is regional or by country. So the same target, maybe 3 years or 5 years. So for Malaysia, we already in 2019, MWCP already part of the committee members in a conference for a huge parliamentary conference whereby international conference for parliament, I mean from all over the world, the ministers, prime minister, parliament came to Malaysia to sit down and discuss about the liberations of Palestine. And at that time, Tun Mahathir was the prime minister and so-called the main keynote speaker. And mashallah, it was a very successful event. And alhamdulillah, we feel honored because MWCP MWSQP was invited to be part of the secretariat or the committee of that huge conference. And of course, BDS, the boycott, we are part of. We always support the BDS, and of course, I hope everybody knows that boycott campaign very successful, proven. Like yesterday, Mr. Saul Takashi mentioned in America, you know, even that the non-Muslim universities already really support, you know, a boycott and show the support for Palestine. And even we know that certain ports in America and Europe, they boycott the ships from Israel, not to unload their products, the Israeli products in Europe and America. So we should support all those boycotts of products, of Israeli products, I mean certain strategic products. So that's one of a very strategic engagement that we should do. Okay, next.
So with BDS, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. We just support them, or we just join venture with them, so that we don't have to think again what to do. It's our own established international bodies, so
Yeah.
we can just support them.
Yeah, because they do a lot of research before they do boycott. It's not just, oh, okay, it's Israeli product, let's boycott. No, they do a lot of research before they really do the boycott campaigns. Yeah, so we just support their campaigns. Okay, next. Okay, the third example is now the second pillar in the house, the preserve Palestine culture and heritage. So I would like to give an example on the P13. Yeah, the outcome is leadership training. Of course, the example is the Basma, which is a very good example. And the key activities is training and rehabilitation, focusing on increasing number of qualified trained women leaders to carry the trust working for Palestine. I think this is part of a good training that we should do again and again, inshallah. And so P13 is training on soft skill, public speaking, Toastmaster International English. So for this example, the PIC is Malaysia, and we are targeting to conduct 2 times per year. So for us, English is our main language because we use English a lot, and it's easier to communicate with other countries, especially in Asia Pacific region. If we want to communicate to other countries like New Zealand and other part of the world. So maybe we also can help the other, sisters in Arab countries. Also, we can help that. In P14, training for R&D, research and development on educational and strategic management. So I think Malaysia can also help that. We have many sisters that have a good experience during our work. That we do a lot of R&D, so we can support on that. But we also do it for our own NGOs for MWSQP. Next. But this is only an example, again. So you can create your own target, your own key initiative programs, inshallah. Okay, Dr. Fauzia, you want to take this? Or history? Oh, okay. This is the still preserve Palestine culture and heritage, but under the strategic steps of research, training, development in areas of concern, but paying attention on to normalization and adding the normalization quite a central.
Because we did talk about normalization, anti-normalization basically to the Zionists. So So what we did actually was a virtual tour to olive harvesting. I know for you all, you don't give a care. You don't care about olive harvesting because you see they are ready. But for us, we don't know how olive trees are and so on. So when you do a virtual tour of olive harvesting, you attract Muslim, non-Muslim, people who love nature, that kind of thing. It's very, but when you talk about olive harvesting, what we did was we talk about Israeli giving of uprooting all the olive trees. There is a war, there is the torture that the farmers had to go. So many things inside. And we show one lady, a man and a couple actually, from Barcelona. They are Catalan. They came to the West Bank to help. And they talk about this apartheid regime of Israel. So in a very short time, those are being manifested or spread around to the people. And we actually, from that program, we came, because the person that was contending in West Bank, they were saying that now, because of the uprooting of olive trees, they are replanting the olive trees. So it costs about 150 ringgit per tree. So we came up with the idea of saying that, why don't we, now the replanting is in January till March. So inshallah we are going to do a project of replanting olive trees in West Bank. And we say a tagline of a piece of Palestine in your palm or in your hand, and a piece of you in Palestine. So that's why with the Sister Rabab's help, I got some tasbih and also some keychains from the West Bank. And we got, thank you to Sabil for giving us a free, as a freebie. We're going to sell that in Malaysia and in exchange of 150 ringgit for replanting one olive trees in the West Bank. Next slide, and I think it's also alongside with the SDG. Jabaria will know about SDGs.
About what?
SDGs kan?
Dr. Fauzia, about what?
SDGs.
Yeah.
Yeah, so one of the SDG is to ensure
التنمية العالمية.
ensure life on land. So to ensure life on land, Israeli is cutting all the trees. So we are trying to build it. So it actually is going to be a worldwide program. It's just not replanting, but it has got a lot of things that we can talk about discreetly, but meaning we don't say Islamic or whatever. But and then you can talk about apartheid Israel.